Every journey of restoration begins with rescue. Carefully lifted from years of neglect, this machine takes its first step toward revival.
Removing the fairings reveals the true condition beneath, years of corrosion hidden behind fading Italian colors.
At the heart of every machine lies its soul. To restore performance,
With the engine on the bench, every component tells its story. One by one, the parts are removed, inspected, understood, and prepared for restoration.
Laid out piece by piece, the engine reveals its past. Covers worn by time, pistons shaped by heat.
this is where renewal begins. Each new component replaces fatigue with strength. Precision restores balance.
With the old body removed, the transformation begins. New panels restore the form, rebuilding the identity of a machine once lost to time. With the new body in place, worn contact points are no longer acceptable. The old tire is removed, making way for proper grip and control.